up? What's good? It's your girl Najah. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure that you hit that subscription button below me. And if you are already one of mine and you're one of my love bugs, welcome back. As you guys can see, I have a new environment behind me. You guys already know what we're talking about in this video. I decided that it was time to upgrade my space and make it look all YouTube-ish. I decided to actually, do the whole thing and redo it, I'm just gonna talk you guys through the process, everything that has transpired with this whole mess. I'm gonna talk about that process, and yeah, if you're interested, keep watching. Before I decided to do this whole big renovation, this room was actually doubling as our guest room / my YouTube space. There was a bed in here, and I tried to have a desk in here, and it was just really close and claustrophobic like. I decided that I needed my own space, that we really didn't have company over that much anyways, just to invest back into myself. Jacob actually invested in me. Thanks, boo. He was like, I believe in you. I want you to have this, so let's do it. I just started looking up a bunch of different things that I wanted in this room. I knew I wanted this room to be white because, white light bounces off of that. It's just great. Beforehand, it was like this ugly, yellow beige looking color. I used about 3 to 4 cans of paint in this room. I probably spent like $100. The lovely cube that you see behind me that I really wanted the aesthetic for. I really saw a bunch of YouTubers that I look up to that have these cubes behind them. I was like, oh my God, I love that. It looks so cute, so me. Went to IKEA and I got this cubicle thing. It was like $110. I already had a bunch of the knickknacks. Actually, everything that's in these shelves I already had. Each cube means its own little thing. So I have a marriage cube. I have my, what else do I have? Little Zen space over here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I can't remember how zoomed in I am. I don't have my monitor on. I have some Christmas lights behind me. They were just the multicolored on the white string, and I just strung them behind this to create some depth. I have my little tree over here on the side of me with the Christmas lights in there too. Christmas lights don't run you anything from about $14 to $20. That was really cheap too. And I already had those sitting around the house anyways. Most of my decor was from Dollar Tree, BT Dubs. So they have some cute stuff, as you can see. Go snag you some. Also, the tree over here was a gift from Jacob's mom. Then I have my desk that I have all this stuff sitting on. You can't really see it right now, but that ran me like 60 to 80 bucks. I can't remember exactly how much I got it from, but Facebook Market, am I still recording? Facebook Market is where it is at with all of the stuff. Honestly, a lot of my stuff in my house, I got it from Facebook Market. A lot of times people are giving away brand new stuff that they haven't even touched basically, and they're giving it away for super cheap because they just don't want it, or they can't fit it in their house anymore, or whatever the case may be. Go on Facebook, find you some stuff, okay? My chair that I'm swinging in right now, my mom got that for me. That was a gift from Ross. The side tables that I have, they were also gifts to me. I had those since high school, actually middle school. They were pink and green beforehand. They need to repaint it though, so yeah. That was the gist of everything, kind of. I didn't really go into deep detail. Everyone points out every little thing in their room tours. And I got this piece from Dollar Tree, and I got this piece from Home Goods. I wasn't trying to do all that. I usually skip past it. Just show me the room. Just show me what you got. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, share. Let's get up to 500 subscribers. Let's get past 500 subscribers, please. I'm gonna be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I will let you guys know what that giveaway is once we reach 500 subscribers. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.